This Hobson Realtors property video is presented by Jennifer and Joel Hobson. New listing showings begin Wednesday, July 7th. Beautiful and charming English traditional west/red tile roof on completely gated 0.59 acre lot in sought-after Hedgemoor. Primary bedroom down is currently used as a den. Living room west/fireplace, dining room, sunroom/den, music room/office, eat-in kitchen all down. 4 BRS up, including the current principal bedroom, and separate stairs to playroom. All appliances stay. Would like to sell as is, inspection/repairs are attached. Previous renovations done by Ben Duke and Bill Mann. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer and Joel Hobson at 901-761-1622.